Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one of my favorite working day lunch box recipes, my happy meal. It's simple, comforting and full of homemade taste. I call it my bachelor style meal because it's quick to make and super satisfying. So let's start. First, take half cup of tuar dal or pigeon pea and a little chana dal or split chickpeas. Add them to a mixing bowl and wash well. Soak for about 10 minutes. Next, take some potato, do peel and cut in big sized pieces. Next, take rice, wash it properly and keep it aside. Heat little oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. When they start to splutter, add finely chopped onions and curry leaves. Saute until onions turn golden. Now add the washed rice and saute it lightly for a few minutes. You can cook this directly in a pressure cooker too. Transfer everything to a pressure cooker. Add the soaked dal, turmeric powder, a few potato pieces, a few big potato pieces. Add salt and about 2 cups of water. Cover and cook on low-medium heat for 2 whistles. While that's cooking, take one brinjal and roast it directly on the gas flame. Keep turning it until the skin is fully burnt and it becomes soft from inside. This gives a lovely smoky flavor. After 2 whistles, turn off the gas and let the cooker rest for 5 minutes. Open it gently, separate the boiled potatoes. The dal rice looks perfectly cooked. Now heat some oil in a frying pan and gently fry peppers. Once they puff up, keep them aside. In the same pan, add chopped onions, red chilli powder and saute well. In the same pan, add chopped onions, red chilli powder and saute well. Then add the boiled potatoes, sprinkle garam masala powder and cook on low heat. Stir gently until they are golden and flavorful. Keep aside. Now peel off the roasted brinjal skin and mash it well in a bowl. In a pan, heat some oil, add mustard seeds, chop onions and green chillies. Saute until onions are cooked. Add the mashed brinjal, salt and chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook on low flame, stirring continuously. The aroma is just amazing. Simple, homemade and absolutely comforting. This is my style of cooking during my working days. Ingredients list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. And here's our complete happy meal. Soft dal rice, spicy potato fry, smoky brinjal bharta and crispy papad. Quick, filling and full of flavor. Your delicious bachelor meal is ready. Pack it in your lunch box or enjoy it hot with your friends and family. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.